So the physics, the science that happens on Venus is the same as the science that happens on the Earth. The science that happens on the moon, in this case the geology, the study of rocks that happens on the moon, is the same science that happens on the Earth. So when you say to yourself, well, I'm going to ignore all the evidence of climate change, you're saying, I'm going to ignore the best ideas anybody's ever had. That's science. About science is, it's true for all of us. You can run the test, I can run the test, and we try to get the same results. And if we don't, then we find out why.
Have you ever wondered what is beyond planet Earth? Our solar system. People have known about it since 200 BCE. Their idea of the solar system was very different from ours because it put the Earth in the middle, not the Sun. This theory was discovered by a man named Ptolemy, and he lived in ancient Greece. For many years, his theory of outer space satisfied people because it explained what they saw every night.
Each night they saw stars and planets in one position and one place per night. Every night the stars stayed in their position but changed places in the sky, while the planets changed place and position altogether. So Ptolemy thought that the Earth was in the center of everything, and the planets orbited around the Earth.
Even though this theory lasted 1,400 years, it was eventually proved wrong. Now, everyone believes in the heliocentric theory, which means sun-centered.
Nicholas Copernicus discovered this theory. Copernicus was a Polish scientist who was never believed about his ideas until Galileo proved him right. He saw 4 moons revolving around Jupiter, and that Venus goes through the same phases similar to the moon. The heliocentric theory says that the sun is in the center and planets orbit around it.
Today, with all this technology around us, including telescopes, it is easy to tell that the heliocentric model is more accurate.